All new at 6, a DeKalb County police officer is involved in an investigation tonight. A private investigator says video of the sergeant in uniform and in his patrol car was shot in a different county while he was on the clock. Channel 2 investigative reporter Mark Winnie joins us now with that undercover video.
Monica, a DeKalb police veteran whose opinion I respect tells us this sergeant has a solid reputation as an officer. We don't know why he was where he was at the time in question. We know what the records show and the video.
He wasn't the original target of what we were doing. He was just unlucky enough just to wander right into our sights. When we got here, her car was here and the DeKalb sergeant's car was here.
Niall Cronley says as a private eye, he's turned information over to police before. But this is the first time a police officer became part of the investigation.
You can see on the video his badge shines brightly in the lights.
He says one of his investigators at Eagle Investigative Services, Stacy Maddox, whose face is obscured so she won't be spotted spying on spouses in other cases, was checking up on a client's wife.
He had the subject on a GPS tracking device. I rolled up here, saw her vehicle parked behind the DeKalb County police vehicle.
Cronley says the night of January 2nd, Ms. Maddox spotted the wife's car and a marked DeKalb County police car at Jones RV Park in Norcross in Gwinnett County.
In a different jurisdiction than he was, assigned to, since he is a DeKalb County sergeant.
Cronley says they were in a trailer along with a second male, believed to be a relative of the sergeant, Ms. Maddox says, at least from 9:45 p.m. until midnight, roughly 2 hours and 15 minutes.
When she left, her headlights lit up all the identifying information on the DeKalb County vehicle.
And we found out it was Rick Cavanis, and we found out he was a DeKalb County sergeant, and he was, in fact, at that time in Gwinnett.
A timesheet we obtained under the Open Records Act indicates Ricky S. Cavanis punched in January 2nd at 4:29 p.m. and out at 2:17 a.m., suggesting he was on duty the hours the private investigator says he was in a trailer in Gwinnett County.
I think the taxpayers would expect that somebody who's being paid would be where they're supposed to be.
At last check, County spokesperson Sheila Edwards said police still had an open internal investigation into Sergeant Rick Cavanis' actions, including whether he was out of the county on duty, and if so, under what circumstances. At the DeKalb Police North Precinct, we got video of a police car whose tag matched the one in the private eye's video, but we didn't get an on-camera interview with Cavanis. Eventually, by phone, he indicated he's been told he's not authorized to speak with us while the internal investigation is still open.
Internal Affairs has been in touch with us, and we've spoken with Internal Affairs.
And today we checked with County spokesperson Edwards one more time, and she told researcher Erica Jorgensen a decision would be made in the next 10 days or less as to whether the allegations are founded or unfounded. Reporting live, Mark Winnie, Channel 2 Action News.